Welcome to your YouTube channel Odisha Railway Study Point. Let's start the previous year official question paper of RRB and TBC. Majuli Island is located in which river? Your right answer is Brahmaputra. Option B is your correct answer. Which of the following is represented by the chemical symbol Si? Your right answer is silicon. Option D is your correct answer. Forest Research Institute is located. Your right answer is Dehradun. Option C. Capital of Uttarakhand, Dehradun. In the concept of food security, access to food to each person is known as dash. Your right answer is food accessibility. Option B is your correct answer. Which country will host the Summer Olympic in 2028? Your right answer is USA. Option C is your correct answer, America. Which authority is organizing competitive examination for recruitment in the state judicial services? Your right answer is State Public Service Commission. Option C is your correct answer. Titan is the satellite of which of the following planet? Your right answer is Saturn planet. Option D is your correct answer. What is the difference between a planet expansion of the sun and its axis? Your right answer is rotation interval. Option D is your correct answer. When did Mahatma Gandhi return from India to South Africa? Your right answer is 1915. Option A is your correct answer. How many important committees were there in the Indian Constitution Assembly? Your right answer is 8 committees. Option B is your correct answer. Which of the following government act permit the establishment of All India Federation in British? Your right answer is Government of India Act 1935. Option D is your correct answer. Lower down between Himalayan region and Shivalik are called Ghat. Your right answer is Dune. Option D is your correct answer. Which of the following festival is known as Bandhan of Protection? Your right answer is Raksha Bandhan. Option C. The 86th Constitution Amendment Act came into force. Your right answer is 2010. Option C is your correct answer. Which of the following is included in the Summer Olympic Game? Your right answer is golf. Option C is your correct answer. Kathiawara Peninsula is found in which of the following state? Your right answer is Gujarat. Option B is your correct answer. How many types of urban local government are there in India? Your right answer is type 8. Option B is your correct answer. Which of the following tissue is a complex permanent tissue found in plant? Your right answer is xylem. Option C is your correct answer. In decomposition reaction, the dash decay or dash is formed. Your right answer is oxygen, hydrogen. Option D is your correct answer. Which state was associated with Siddhar, a group of Sant? Your right answer is Tamil Nadu. Option B is your correct answer. In which of the following ocean is the Sargasso Sea situated? Your right answer is Atlantic Ocean. Option A is your correct answer. Who wrote the book The Indian War of Independence 1857? Your right answer is V.D. Savarkar. Option C is your correct answer. Muscat is the capital of which of the following country? Your right answer is Oman. Option A is your correct answer. Who was the first Indian to be appointed to the Executive Council of British Viceroy in 1909? Your right answer is S.P. Sinha. Option C is your correct answer. The maximum number of members in the Rajya Sabha is? Your right answer is 250. Option C is your correct answer. In the economy, the overall production of components such as total production, employment and total value level is called? Your right answer is microeconomics. Option C is your correct answer. The author giving detailed information about the king of Kashmir was written by which of the following authors? Your right answer is Chalhuns. Option A is your correct answer. The capacity of the lens is defined as the inversion of its dash. Your right answer is focal distance. Option A is your correct answer. Who won the gold medal in both the events of the 5000 meters and 10,000 meters race in the 2016 Summer Olympics? Your right answer is Mohammad Farah. Option C is your correct answer. Which country won the European Football Championship in 2016? Your right answer is Portugal. Option D is your correct answer. The word lost in the Kho game means? Your right answer is go grab. Option B is your correct answer. What is the arrangement of local self-government in rural area? Your right answer is Panchayati Raj. Option A is your correct answer. Who was the first president of the All India Trade Union Congress? Your right answer is Lala Lajpat Rai. Option C is your correct answer. The duty of respecting the national flag and national anthem is given in the sub paragraph of Article 51A of Indian Constitution. Your right answer is Article 51A. According to the plan proposed by the British Council, the Constituent Assembly was formed. Your right answer is Cabinet Mission. Option A is your correct answer. India has set up Asia's first export processing zone. Your right answer is Kundla. Option D is your correct answer. Which of the following state is known for Cherawan dance with bamboo? Your right answer is Mizoram. Option A is your correct answer. The confluence of the Alakananda and the Mandakini river. Your right answer is Rudraprayag. Option D is your correct answer. The particle of two different type of substances is called the function of the mixture. Your right answer is variance. Option C is your correct answer. Which year did Pradhan Mantri Gram Sadak Yojana begin? Your right answer is 2000. Option A is your correct answer. Which of the following state does not pass through the Western Ghati range? Your right answer is Telangana. Option C is your correct answer. Which of the following is commonly called a spongy? Your right answer is Porifera. Option C is your correct answer. The world's largest glacier is found in which continent? Your right answer is Antarctica. Option B is your correct answer. Which of the following player is related to hockey? Your right answer is Dhanraj Pupule. Option B is your correct answer. In which stage of the embryo all the organ of the body can be identified? Your right answer is pregnancy. Option D is your correct answer. Who can be appointed temporarily for the discharge of the work of the governor of the state? Your right answer is Chief Justice of the High Court. Option D is your correct answer. Liquid is called the force that moves upward on an object. Your right answer is boiling force. Option C is your correct answer. Who can remain in the post for the governor Prasad? Your right answer is minister. Option A is your correct answer. Who presided over the All Bengal Student Conference in 1928? Your right answer is Jawaharlal Nehru. Option B is your correct answer. I hope you like these questions and also like these sections. If you have daily hard work for your aim, you get sure success in your life. Otherwise, no one can help you to reach on your goal. It is the bad truth of your life. Let's bye bye. Have a nice day. Jai Bharat. Jai Hind.